to, it's just insider preview. How it works if you have to like join the insider preview. You want to go to control panel and start, turn on features, turn Windows feature, and scroll down until you find Windows 10 Sandbox. And you just have to wait searching for required files. It just needs to load. I'm gonna delete this program because I don't even use it. Like, delete stuff that you barely use, that you don't even use at all. $696 programs installed. And just have to like wait just have to like wait until it's finished. To get this video, guys, so you get Windows Insider. I'm gonna go to Windows Sandbox, and press yes. Just have to wait for like a few minutes until it's gonna be loaded in a few minutes. And now it's loading. Hope it works. Hope this one works. I'm just gonna come back and wait until it's finished. So you can put it full screen. It's like a virtual machine. Windows 10 Sandbox is like a virtual machine, but if you like close it, your stuff is gonna be installed. Everything's gonna be like deleted. So it creates a new machine. When you start it up, it creates a virtual machine. But this won't require Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Insider. It won't work for Windows 10 Home, or it works for every edition except for Windows 10 Home. So I have Windows 10 Pro Insider preview. I got a copy, build 18.31 pre-release, Microsoft Edge. Wow. I'm just gonna like download. Let's see, like Google Chrome. .com. So now this is Google Chrome. It's like better than Microsoft Edge. Here's where it's Google Chrome. And close all tabs. Yes, you want to close. And on your marks, it's just as like connecting to the internet, downloading. Well, actually, it takes really fast. A few seconds, because my internet is like so fast. But back then, it'll take like longer. Like, it'll take like way more and longer. And it's completed. Install as completed. You can now open Chrome and it's just type like private web browsing. You want to go to press Control Shift and then your private. I just want to go to like YouTube.com. YouTube. See, it's private web browsing isn't public, fully private. This is, you see, YouTube. Trending. And trend. These are the popular videos. News, gaming. And all the videos. We have movies, arts. So, let's go like close. See, are you sure you want to close Windows 10 Sandbox? Once Windows 10 Sandbox is closed, all your content will be erased and permanently lost. It's gonna be lost forever.